Alright guys, so what we're going to do today's video, and I've had a few of these before. Hopefully I do it right. Remember that one? I kept sending it back. That was the Optogen on Talbot. What we're going to do today on Rocky is a CNM test, and this is from a place called Animal Genetics in Tallahassee, which I really like because they've got a very fast turnaround time. So CNM is a disease, honestly, I can't even tell you guys I can even pronounce it, but it's really specific almost to field trial dogs. So the chance of this dog is having it is almost nil, but we just like to get everything done. And the reason field trial dogs all have it is because they all go back. There's only 3 direct father lines. I want to do a video about that one day. All of them go back to these 3 dogs. So because there's no outcross, they had problems with this CNM, and a lot of the national champions carry it and stuff. And what happens is the puppies, it's kind of like a muscular dystrophy type of thing. The puppies seem normal in the beginning, but then they start like having these muscle problems, and then like they can't hold their head up. You can look it up on YouTube, but then their muscles just don't work right, and their neck is all slumped down, and it's terrible. Anyway, so what you want to do, and since so many dogs are carriers, the way to get around it is, again, it would be like a lot of these other genetic diseases would be to only breed to a dog that was clear. If a dog was a carrier, and we've talked about this before, you guys, the point of these tests is not to eliminate all the carriers from the gene pool. It's not to produce affected individuals. So since Rocky is all show bloodlines, but he does have an Italian import, and I want to say there was one in there from Portugal, and that's why he doesn't listen to us. He speaks foreign language. So anyway, what we're going to do is do these cheek swabs. And you've got to just go in here and get the... And a lot of these genetic tests, I actually thought that this was going to be... I don't know, his mouth is dirty or something. If this comes back, let's not be surprised. So what they're doing is getting DNA off of here and looking for a genetic marker that's going to indicate whether the dog has that disease or not. All right, guys, we'll keep you posted with the results. See ya.